Fireworks in a jar. The ingredients are food coloring, oil, warm water, and a jar. So the first step is you have to fill your jar with warm water. Then, in a separate bowl, you mix oil and several drops of different colors of food coloring. Then use fork to gently mix the oil and food coloring together. Then gently pour the oil mixture into the jar. Then watch what happens. The food coloring will slowly sink out of the oil and into the water. When this happens, it will expand and begin to mix with the other colors. So the explanation for this is food coloring dissolves in water but not in oil because the oil is less dense than the water. It will float at the top. The color droplets will begin to sink because they are heavier than the oil. Once they sink into the water, they will begin dissolving into the water.